Alright, what's up guys? We just finished 20 minutes up on the bike and we'll roll the clips for you. Alright, what's up guys? Today is Thursday, here with Riley. We're at the gym here. I'm going to be doing probably another 20 minutes on the bike. Well, just heading out here, finishing up solid 20-25 minutes on the bike. So yeah, we'll roll the footage for you. Just finished up with the old leg workout. There's Dylan there, he's getting all ready to go. Did some biking today. And pretty much wraps up today's workout. All right, what's up everyone? I'm filling in today as pretty much just a coach. I am gonna be filming and pacing these folks off, giving them splits. Today, Brock's gonna be doing a 15-minute progression run, and Riley's gonna be doing a 10-minute progression run. So, should be a pretty good one. Check in with you guys afterwards.
Perfect.
Spencer Elf's going down. What's up guys? It is Tuesday here. I just finished up about 20 minutes on the bike. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna be acting as the coach. They're gonna be doing about 35 minutes, just easy. I'm up on the bike. Should be pretty solid. Roll the footage. Alright, what's up guys? A little later today on Thursday. It's time for my workout. I'm gonna be going with Riley here. I'm gonna be doing about 15 minutes on the bike. What's up guys, Friday here. Today I'm going to be going up to Eau Claire to hang out with an old buddy, Baden Schraub, Boston qualifier. Should be pretty sweet. We got a long run scheduled for Saturday morning. We'll see you then.